everyone. This is Abhilash. My student ID is MIT14162. Uh, Today, let's see how we work on Splunk. So, what is Splunk actually? So, Splunk is an American multinational corporation based in San Francisco, in California. So, Splunk provides the leading platform for operation intelligence. The customer uses Splunk to search, monitor, analyze, and visualize the machine data. So let's see how it is benefit for us. So it is better to understand our environment to drive decisions. So it helps in search and visualization tools, analyze data, and it is very helpful in automated reporting. So it also can be installed in Windows 7, 8, whether it is 32 or 64 byte, and it is very easy to you can find it online. So today I'm going to do a six important tasks. So which is basically which is worked on Splunk. So the first one will be adding data. So let's see how it works. So click on add data. So you can see the three options over here. It says upload, monitor, and forward. So let me select monitor. So here we come. So it says local event logs, remote event logs, files and directories, TCP and UDP, local performance monitor. So I'm going to select local event logs. So these are the different event logs if you want to select and get the information. So I'm going to go for local event logs. So as you can see, I've already selected three event logs. So you can unselect it. So you can select it back, application security and setup. So here it comes. So let's click next. So here you can see input settings. It says app context. So search and reporting. So let it be like that. The host, it's the system name. So this is the index. So it has been set as default. So let's go for review. So here you can review the input type as Windows event logs and application security and setup. So the index is default. So let's go and submit it. Okay, here we go. So our local event logs input has been successfully created. So as local event logs input has been created, so let's go for start searching. Here we go. So here you can see a source name as Windows event log, host is host name. So as we come down, here you can see a bar chart. So which represents like so there are 3,916 events during Wednesday, August 19, 2015. So here you can see a different events which is present in different days and which represents date and time over there. So as you can see there. So as we go down, you can see multiple events present over here. So which represents time and date, the log name, host name, source and source type. So this is how you add data in Splunk. So these are the multiple events. So it's been picked out the number of multiple events present in the system is like 26 for 29 events. So this is how you add data. So let's go for the next task. So it says like basic searching. So how do you search an event? So you can type it as error. So enter. So the same represent error. It's almost like 1,874 events present over there. So you can see a watermark on top of error over here. So which I've typed So it is highlighted as that. So it is error reporting. So you can see the multiple reports as like 1,874 reports over here, which is error reported. So this is how you search. So let's go for another try. Sorry. Um, let's say wrong password. So there are no results found because no one has typed the wrong password in my system. Let's go for failed. Try this one. Okay, yeah, here we go. We got something. So it says the failed has been highlighted by watermark. So you can see that. So the rules engine reported a failed VL activation attempt. So these are the events which have created when the failed activation has been attempted. So there are almost like 280 events of it. So you can see that. So this is how you make a use of search engine on Splunk. So you can monitor your data. Okay, let's go for the next task. It says how to create a new pivot. Let's see how we can do that. So here we have it. So click on pivot. So you can find two data models over here. So it says Splunk's internal audit log sample, Splunk's internal server log sample. So let's click on Splunk internal server log sample. Uh, you can see 21 objects in the Splunk internal server logs. As you can see down here. So it says scheduler, alerts, summary, acceleration. So it says you can pipe, queue, throughput. So you guys can select any of these and get the information, or you can create a bar graph for this. So I'm going to select Splunk server. So you just have to wait for that. So all the events get uploaded over here. So until then, so you can see a left side, left side of the toolbar of the Splunk. You can see a bar column chart, bar chart. So these are the ways to represent the events and in different presentations. So let's see how we can do that. So after this is done, yeah, you're done. So let me create a column chart for this. Click on it. So you can set the time range. So it can be like last 30 days, last 7 days. So I'll go for last 24 hours. So I don't want to add any filters. So let's jump on the next one. So add x-axis. So I'll go select it as time. Okay, here we go. So we got a column chart, which indicates each column has like different dates. So it says like September 4th, 2015 at 5:30 p.m. The count of Splunk server was 4,154. So each one of it different like represents a different date, time, represents a different time and different Splunk servers. So this is how you make use of pivot. So let's save this. Go to save as report. So the title name is server one. You guys can give any name for that. It doesn't mind. So it's a save. So yeah, it's been created. So go for view. So this is how you create a pivot. So there are 73,000 events presenting here. So so here we are. So we created a server one pivot over here. So this is how is it done. So let's go for the next task. it says how to create a new dashboard. So what is dashboard actually? Dashboard is a simple collection of reports or searches alike and can be used for quickly view of the data. So we can add multiple reports on the dashboard. So let's see how dashboard works, and let's see how multiple reports can be added on it. So here we go. Click on add dashboard. So I'm creating a new one. So let me say as my PC. Yeah, that looks good. So I don't want to make it private. Let me share it an app. So click on share an app. So let's save this. Oh, there is a dashboard title before as my PC. Okay, let me give it as my PC1. Okay, that'll be fine. Save it. Yeah, it's done. So the panel has been dashboard panel has been created. So view it. So it says my PC1. So you can see the keyword you have created before, the server one. So you can see you have created a dashboard. So let's see how you create a multiple reports in a dashboard. So this is your dashboard. So click on edit. So go to edit panels. So as you can see here, three different symbols over here. These are the customization. So you can change the color if you want. So I don't want to do that right here. So I'll go for like the other one, like area graph, or you can change the style of the graph. So I don't want to do that. So let's see how to create another report. So click on add panel. So new from reports. So let me select errors in last 24 hours. So add to dashboard. Okay, you get this errors in last. The other report has been come like is on your. You can edit this by representing an bar chart. Yeah, you got it. So you can change it to pie chart. So you can customize each of your report. So whatever you like wish for, or maybe it takes time. So I'll go for column bar as it is. Yeah, you can see it. So yeah, so you can add another. Let me show you another one, an example. So message 5 minutes and stuff. Okay, let's go for license usage data. Add to dashboard. Okay, here you go. So even this, no, sorry, you can change it to bar graph. Oh, yeah, okay. You can see the bar graph over here. So you can see the things. So you can save this report on the top if you want it. So as you can see, or else you can shift this one the next of the server. Yeah. Yep. Done. So this is how you create your dashboard. So make it neat. Uh, so you can view all the reports in one single page. So this is the example for how to view a dashboard. Okay, next, let's jump on the next task. So how to create an alert. So let's click on search and reporting. So over here, let's type as invalid, sorry, invalid, sorry. password. So there is no event like there's no one has typed an invalid password in my system, so there are no events for that. So let me create an alert if anyone tries to access my computer by typing invalid password. So let me create an alert for that. So let me say it as an invalid password. So let me say that real time. So click on next. So send email. So here I go for my email address. Okay. And this is what the message you get to your mail if anyone's access your computer and go for the invalid password. So this is what the alert. So let's save it. So if you have created an alert, so let's view that alert. Okay, here we are. So, oh, there's a mistake. Sorry about that. So, okay, this is an invalid password. So you have created an alert. You can see the each detailed information about it. So you enabled it. The action is send email. So you can edit this if you want it. So you can edit to list and trigger alerts or run a script or something like that. So you can change it if you want. So I just want to be the same. I'm just showing you guys so that you can change it. So after that, so you have created an alert saying that invalid password. So this is how you create an alert. Let's okay. Let's go for the next task. So how to use the fields on using Splunk. So click on search and reporting. Go to data summary. So on data summary, you can see three things over here. Says host, source, source types. So as we have selected before, so it says application security setup. We'll go for the host. Click on the host name. So so here we go. So you can see the same representing thing like as I said before. So these are the multiple events so which you have selected. So these are the field multiple events so which is in the host computer. So let's on the left side of the uh, toolbar, so you can see all files. Click on it. So you can change the host fields over here. So you can unclick the account, event, key length, the log name, and select the the information so which you want it. So I need like home drive. Uh, I'll go for the computer name. So I'll go for the new security description or something like that. Yeah, that'll be fine. I'll close this. So here we go. So you get the computer name, host, source, and source type. So this is how you can view the fields, make use of fields and all. So there are multiple events over here. So in all of it, so you can view the fields of each event. So it says computer name, host, source, and source type. So this is how you make use of fields. So this is what the Splunk is. So we have covered six tasks today. So those are, let me summarize. So these are the six tasks we have made use of it. Sorry for that. Uh, just a second. Okay, yeah, we have done with adding data, creating a new keyword, basic searches, creating a dashboard. So we got to know how to create a dashboard by using a multiple reports. So creating an alert. So you can create an alert by typing an as invalid password or wrong password. So if any other user who tries to access your computer without your information or without your notice, so you'll be getting an alert saying that someone has logged into your system. So that's how it helps. So and we got to know how to make use of other fields. So we can learn that without using a complex areas. We can actually see multi-line events, or we can view the reports which can be assigned on dashboards. Like you can create a bar chart or anything like that. So with a clean representation. So this is how the Splunk works. So finally, I've explained the 6 tasks. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So I'm I'm pretty sure that it was very helpful for you guys. So thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video. Happy Splunking. Thank you.